Thomas John Elias. Thomas John Elias is a Welsh actor. He's known for his role as Gary Peterson in BBC sitcom Miranda and Lucifer in the American series Lucifer. Thomas John Ellis born on 17 November 1978 in Cardiff, United Kingdom. He is 41-year-old. He's married to Megan. In June 2019, Ellis married his longtime girlfriend, American screenwriter and actress Megan. The pair tied a knot in lavish ceremony at Gresini. They began dating in 2015 and announced their engagement last year. In the past, Thomas was married to Thames Oathwhite. They got divorced in 2014. Lauren German. Lauren German is an American actress. She had her first major role in 2002 romantic drama film A Walk to Remember. Lauren German born on 29 November 1978 in California, United States. She is 41-year-old. Lauren is currently single, but in the past, Lauren German has been in relationship with Austin Holmes and Barry Zito. Kevin Alejandro. Kevin Michael Alejandro is an American actor and film director. He is known for his role as Nate Morita in kind drama Southland Forklift. Kevin born on 7 April 1976 in Texas, United States. Kevin is 44-year-old. Kevin is married to Leslie DeGeeses. They got married in 2004. Leslie Ann Brand. Leslie Ann is a South African actor. Leslie has acted in a number of New Zealand television series and first come to international notice with a role as slave girl Nevia. Leslie born on 2nd December 1981 in Cape Town, South Africa. She is 38-year-old. She is married to Kiss Pine Gilbert. They got married in 2015. D.B. Woodsize. D.B. Woodsize born on 25 July 1969 in Jamaica, New York. He is 51-year-old. In the past, he dated Golden Brooks. They dated for more than 4 years, but currently D.B. Woodside is single. Rachel Harris. Rachel Elaine Harris is an American actor and comedian. Rachel born on 12 January 1968 in Ohio, United States. She is 52-year-old. She is married to Christian Hebel. They got married in 2015. In the past, she was married to Adam Paul. Amy Gracia. Amy Gracia is an American actor. She is known for her television role as Veronica on the ABC sitcom George Lopez. Amy born on 28 November 1978 in Chicago, United States. She is 41-year-old. She was nominated for Screen Actor Guild Award for Outstanding Performance. Amy Gracia is currently single. Inber Levy. Inber Levy is an Australian actor. She is known for portraying Ravia in 2012 MT series Under Apply. She also appeared on V and Prison Break. Inber Levy born on 27 October 1986 in Ramat Gan, Israel. She is 33-year-old. She also worked in movies like The Last Witch Hunter and House of Cards. She is currently dating Dan Bar Shira. Tricia Helfer. Tricia Jenny Helfer is a Canadian actor. She is best known for playing clown model number 6 in Ronald. Tricia born on 11 April 1974 in Donalda, Canada. She is 46-year-old. She is married to Jonathan Marshall. They got married in 2003. Tom Welling. Thomas J. Welling is an American actor, director, and producer. Tom Welling born on 26 April 1977 in New York, United States. He is 43-year-old. He is married to Jessica Rose Lee. They got married in 2019. In the past, Tom Welling was married to Jamie White. They got divorced in 2015. Graham McTavish. Graham J. McTavish is a Scottish television actor. Graham born on 4 January 1961 in Glasgow, United Kingdom. He is 59-year-old. He is married to Gwen McTavish. They have a child together. Kevin Rankin. Kevin Rankin is an American actor. Kevin born on 18 April 1976 in Louisiana, United States. Kevin is 44-year-old. Kevin is married to Jill Fairley. They got married in 2010. Michael Improvoli. Michael Improvoli is an American actor, writer, and director. Michael Improvoli born on 26 March 1966 in Mount Vernon, New York. Michael is 54-year-old. Michael is married to Victoria Improvoli. They got married in 1994. Michael also wrote a book, The Perfume Bar in His Eyes and Wild Side. Charisma Carpenter is an American actor. Charisma born on 23rd July 1970 in Las Vegas, Nevada. Charisma is 50-year-old. Charisma was married to Damien Hardy. They got divorced in 2008. Charisma is currently single.